Did you know Rollo made tape? Did you know Rollo made tape? Did you know Rollo made tape? I had no idea Rollo made tape. Well, technically they don't make tape. They're sourcing it from some sort of company and labeling it Rollo branded. It's called private labeling. It's a very popular business model. You find a manufacturer somewhere and you build a brand around it. If they're not exactly making tape, they're putting their name on already made tape, if that makes sense. How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna talk about Rollo tape. I had no idea that they made tape until about 2 weeks ago. I was cruising Amazon listings and I saw Rollo tape. They claim that it's silent, which is great because if you're taping in the morning, people are sleeping. It's one of the worst sounds to untrained ears. To me personally, it sounds like money, but to family members or spouses, it might sound like aggravation and broken sleep. In this video, I want to unbox the tape, talk about the tape, my first impressions of the tape, and let you know the cost of the tape because you might be surprised. I think it was actually a pretty good deal for tape. The price probably is going to change. I really doubt that it's gonna stay this cheap. So if you haven't already, please give the video a thumbs up. If you aren't already subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing. And let's start talking about tape. It is being sold on their website for $9.99. It says on sale from $14.99. However, on Amazon, it's only $5.99, bringing it down to less than $1 a roll before taxes. Free shipping. It did take about a week to get here. My speculation of why it's so cheap is because A, it's either a pricing mistake and it's supposed to be a little bit more expensive, or B, they are offering it cheap in order to get reviews, in order to get higher in rank, and then the price will eventually go up to $9.99 or $14.99 once the listing is established. That's kind of how private label works, like price. You mess with prices. They didn't really announce anything about it on their website, on their social media, and they're usually pretty on social media about stuff. So I'm very surprised that the tape was never talked about. All right, we're gonna get into an unboxing of the tape, and then I'm gonna try to do like a tape test, if that's even a thing. Tape came to my house, $5.99 shipped, which is insane. How did Rollo make a profit on $5.99 Amazon fees and then shipping? I don't see it happening. They have to be getting each roll for like, I don't know, 20 cents or 10 cents in order to be making a profit at this price. But here's what it comes in. It's a Uline box, 12 by 9 by 2 with a 65-pound crush limit. So that's pretty dang good. Ironically, they probably did not use their own tape to tape this box because of the width. Here we are. Tape in all of its tape glory. It does have a yellow tint to it, and you can see that purple core with their Rollo branding. And when we flip it over, heavy duty commercial grade, packing, shipping, and moving tape. Clear without bubbles, 2 inches width, 60-yard length, designed in USA, made in China. They love that. No noise, 6 rolls, 2.6 mil thickness. They gave me a nice packing slip, which was not printed on a Rollo printer. All right, let's get into this tape. There we go, there's a roll. As you can see, ironically, they did not use their tape to tape the box, so I don't get that. First, we're gonna see how silent this stuff really is. Oh yeah, listen to that. Quietness, I would say that is probably the quietest tape I've ever heard. It literally has, it's almost silent. Let's do that compared to eBay tape. A lot of people have eBay tape. So let's hear what eBay tape sounds like. That's that familiar sound. And then we're going to compare it to Staples tape. My wife bought this from Staples. Listen to that. So we'll do it one more time, really close together so you can hear what they all sound like side by side. So that's what they sound like side by side, and now we're going to do somewhat of a sticky test. If you've seen my unboxing and tutorials, and you probably noticed, I have some nice fur growing on me. So in order to test stickiness, I'm going to put all 3 tapes on the fur. Then we're gonna leave it on for 30 seconds and then I will peel them off, and that should give a pretty good indication of stickiness because I really don't know how to measure on a box. First up, we have the Rollo tape. Cut off a little piece and place it right there. eBay tape, do the same. Take off a piece. It's gonna go right there. And then we have Staples tape. And then with Staples tape, going to stick that on right there. I'm gonna start a timer, and then we're going to press down on them to make sure that we get as much adhesion as possible, and then we'll take them off in the order that they went on. So first comes the Rolo tape. Not that bad at all. There's a couple pieces of hair, not very painful though. We're gonna take off the eBay tape. Also not very painful, a couple pieces of hair. And now we're gonna take off the Staples tape. Also not very painful, and a couple pieces of hair. Well, that test failed. I really don't know how to test tape other than using it and then noticing like if it's sticky or not throughout time, I guess. But for $6 shipped, I don't think you could really go wrong. If you have an idea of how to test tape better, let me know in the comments section. And if you want a deal on tape right now before they jack up the price, I don't really know how else to test tape quickly. I think I just have to use it over the next couple weeks, but by then the price will probably go up, or people will find out that it was a price mistake to begin with or something. I don't know, but final disclaimer, I literally just got this tape today. I wanted to get the deal out there as soon as possible. I already told people on Instagram about it and they are like buying it left and right. I just got a message saying that somebody bought 30 rolls of it. So I will put a link to it in the description and in the first comment. This is not sponsored by Rolo. Rolo actually doesn't really like me, so they probably won't even shoot me like a thanks or anything, but that's okay. It's a good deal, and I don't think they would mess with absolutely crap tape, even though I haven't used this. If you have any questions or comments or experience with other tape, or a scientific method of how you want to see the experimented with, let me know in the comment section, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.